Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna mount an exterior receptacle box here for the heat tape, and it's gonna be, you know, within reach. It's gonna be within reach of that. So I either need to go here, here, or here. And it's possible I could go here, but it may be difficult to go in the same one with the pipe, and it might crack since there's already a hole there. So maybe here. We'll just see what it looks like when I'm in the basement. Okay. Oh, I'm having a duck under there. So there's where the pipe comes out. And here's the electrical I'm gonna have to tie into. Looks to me like the best place would be to go out here or right there, but that's right here, right there, but that's getting a little close to the perimeter of the block. So I should probably go maybe up here somewhere. So it's not too close to the ground down here, but yeah, somewhere in there. Oh, if I've got enough room here. Okay, got through one layer. I don't have a rotary hammer. I just got a regular hammer drill. But if I was gonna have to go all the way through solid, I would not be able to do that with this drill. Okay. Well, I just saw lights go by on the road, so that's a good sign that I'm in the right place. Got the wire fed through from outside. I'm gonna have to remember to plug that back in. There's so much paint on this. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it. Oh, there we go. And there's already one of these knockouts was already gone, so that's convenient. I'm gonna get it ready to connect. Since this is live, I'll do what I can out there before I connect it. But I don't think I'm gonna film every bit of it because sometimes it's just a little inconvenient. And then when we get down out there, outside, we'll add a little extra. We'll push a little bend of it inside the block so that both ways there's a little excess if I need to pull some for some reason, which I don't think there would be. Okay, so just in case this pump needs to kick on, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it back in. And I'm gonna leave that there and then go outside and install the external box. Okay, so we're gonna cut, maybe leave a little extra like that. I'm gonna line that up as close as we can to the hole. About like that. Now I'll find my drill, I'll set it down. Now when I go to put this on, I'm gonna put some caulk. Around behind it. Like here, 3 sides. So that the water, if water gets behind it, it's not gonna go in that hole. So let me grab that caulk now. Oh wait, I put it in the basement, didn't I? Okay, it's down in the basement. So let me prepare this. When I go to put it in, I'm gonna put the excess in there like that. All right, I gotta go get the caulk. And you want to stop just before you get in, otherwise these Tactons will strip or the heads will come off or something. Okay. Oh, this one's got too much paint in the head. I better close that up before that pump comes on, or I'm gonna have a mess on my hands. And of course, I get my hand in the caulk. Wouldn't be a complete project without doing that, would it? see. All right, so I'm going to disconnect this again for now so that I can maneuver this stuff here. Remember, this is not a video about wiring. Go look up a different video if you want to learn how to wire things. I just need to get it all back in there. Plug that in. You can see this up here. I gotta shove this in now. There's the cocked joint. So now I'm currently building the wood frame of the shelter to go over the plumbing.